Hi, it's Kathleen, and if you're watching this video, I am in Japan. Well, right now I haven't left for Japan yet. I leave tomorrow, and I have not yet packed. So, do you want to pack with me? Okay, let's go. It is now 8 p.m. and I leave in less than 12 hours. So if you couldn't tell already, this video is going to be extremely lo-fi. In what ways, you might ask? Well, for one example, no fancy microphone. The sound of a room. And before you go judging me for not packing sooner than 12 hours before I leave, listen. I've been thinking about what I want to pack for weeks, but I knew that I wanted to film this video and I didn't want to pack anything too soon. So really I did this to myself. But I have a plan, starting with this. For the amount of time and the activities that I think I'm going to be doing in Japan, this is what I think I'm going to need. 5-ish tops, 4-ish bottoms, 2 to 3 pairs of shoes, a jacket, some exercise clothes, and some layering pieces. Seems simple enough. When I was in Japan last time, it was like the lightest I had ever packed, and honestly, it was awesome. So let's try and recreate that again. One thing that really helped me with the packing was to pick only neutral colors. Black, cream, brown. Kinda boring, but it's functional. But between you and me, I'm definitely intending on doing some thrifting there. So maybe we pack the boring stuff and we get the cool stuff there. Sounds like a good plan to me. So this entire wardrobe will be mix and match and repeatable and wearable, and let's get started with the pants. Here's what I'm thinking. White checkerboard pants, some big flowy black pants, smaller green checkerboard pants, and silky skirt for a saucy date night look. Obviously I'm not bringing jeans because I don't hate myself. I'm a soft pants girl through and through. Now this is the part I'm actually dreading. The tops. I usually love a layered top moment. There's a base layer, there's a medium layer, there's usually some sort of outerwear. But I'm gonna have to be flexible here. And we're looking for 5 tops. So maybe 3 short, 2 long, with some base layers thrown in. It would be so amazing to be able to wear this Chihiro sweater in Japan. And it's good because it works as like a statement piece if I wanted to wear it by itself, or I could layer it under things for some extra warmth. It's machine washable too, which is a plus. Okay, this is near the top of the ranks. I know I need some button-ups, some collars to put under things. I love this white one. It's simple. It has a cute little puff sleeve. This is also a must. And then I'm trying to choose between this silky, sultry, chocolatey black moment or this bright pop of orange. The only reason I don't want to do this one is because it's silk and it's kind of hard to clean. Brown it is. Now we get into the conundrum where most of my wardrobe is black. So I've got 3 short sleeve black tops and I just need to pick one. Let's do this one. I already know I'm bringing some t-shirts too. Wait, how many shirts do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm only supposed to have 5? Ooh. Maybe one of these can be a sleep shirt. Okay, here's where we've landed with the tops. Short sleeve, layering top. Get out of here. Classic button up, poofy sleeve. Silky number. 2 t-shirts, 1 short sleeve layering top. It's like mesh, isn't that cool? I think it is. Simple black sweater vest, 2 turtlenecks. I don't think I'm gonna bring Chihiro. We'll see how much space I have when I'm done, although I want extra space so I can fill it with stuff. Sorry. Now dresses. I know I want to bring this one. It goes so perfectly with my brown and black theme. And then I want to pick one more, and it's between this one and this one that you saw in recent videos. I think it's this one. It's a lot lighter weight, easier to pack, and it's so cute. Are there like stripes going up the screen right now? Lo-fi. It's my excuse for everything. All right. Now for warmth items. So the weather is supposed to be pretty much like it is here. I'm really just gonna rely on one jacket. This quilted, simple black jacket. I think we'll go with pretty much everything. I kind of want to bring this little green one too for a little more of a delicate feeling, but it's very thin and it'll be hard to wash while I'm there. Dang it! What do I do? I'm gonna go pee and I'll think about it and then I'll come back. Too much information? Okay, I'm back and I made up my mind. I have the post-pee clarity. I'm gonna leave this, and then hopefully I can find something cool. I mean, there's gotta be some cute sweaters in Japan, right? I feel pretty good about what I have. It all seems very mixable, very maxable. Maxable? Snackable? Let's try putting them in my suitcase and see how much space we have left. Oh yeah, I'm only doing a carry-on. That's how I roll, baby. thought there might be something in there. Montage commence. Okay, that's pretty much everything. I'm not wearing pants. And my suitcase is not even halfway full. But also I need to add my toiletries and my nunnerwares and shoes. Maybe you can help me decide. I know I'm bringing these boots as like my main stompers, but I'm having a hard time deciding if I should bring just these, just 2 pairs of shoes, or these and my Converse. Cast your votes now. Okay, I just realized this isn't very helpful for me right now in this very moment. Only future Kathleen knows what I decided to do. She always knows. I think I'm just gonna bring 2 pairs of shoes. I know the Converse are cool and classic, but I really need some bouncy support. Pro tip, I've got a laundry bag for all of my delicates. I'm also bringing a comfy scarf and a cozy hat. I've added like pajamas and exercise clothes. So I'm just gonna finish up packing and we'll check in a bit. I can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow. Wow. Wasn't expecting to be able to actually catch it. Airport empty, hair big, bag packed. So I've got about 2 hours and then I board a flight to Detroit. Now here's the catch, and I'm stressed about this and hopefully we can be stressed together about this. The time between my Detroit flight landing and my Haneda flight taking off is 30 minutes. This was not a wise decision to book it this way, but it is an exciting one. Okay, bye.